Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with a set of Moto 970s in a gloss black finish in a 20x10 with a negative 24mm offset and some 35x1250 R20 Atturo TrailBlade XTs, which are like their all-terrain tires. With that being said, these Moto 970 wheels, they're offered in a satin black and milled finish, which is what everybody's seen. They're offered in a gloss black with a machined face, meaning the spokes are machined, and then they're offered in a gloss gray center with a gloss black lip. So the spokes are gray and the lip is a gloss black, and then they're offered in a all gloss black wheel, which is this new wheel. With that being said, they're offered in all different sizes. They're offered in 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, and 24-inch wheels. So they are some of the most popular wheels on the market, hands down, by far, no doubt about it. They're great wheels if you don't know what wheel to go with. It's a clean, classy, simple look, and the fact that they're offered in all these different finishes, absolutely love it. These Atturo TrailBlade XTs, they're a great entry-level all-terrain tire. They're like one step up from your entry level. So if you've decided, yes, I like the lifted truck life, I like the lifted Jeep life, I want to do a little bit more, this is a great option for you. They're not too crazy, they're not too expensive, and you got the Atturo brand behind you. They ride good, everybody seems to love them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Thanks, and have a great day.